The Food Service Exchange presents.
My name is John Tasoulis. I'm the executive chef at Port Carling Golf and Country Club. The name of the olive oil is Envy. Anybody that has had it, they will envy this oil. It's pure, it's 100%. I've been using it here at the club for the last 6 years. I was born in Greece, came over when I was 15. As a lot of Greeks do, we have a lot of olive orchards. We produce big quantities of olive oil the old-fashioned way. The trees are over 100 years old that they're picked from. It's one of the oldest orchards in central Greece. They're surrounded in a valley by mountains, and they do not have any type of pesticides on them. That's what makes them organic. They are picked, harvested, pressed. It comes directly here from my family. We have it certified through the EU and the Canadian government and delivered straight to me. Not only can you taste the difference, you can see the difference. People say, wow, that's good. The name of the olive oil is Envy, our own family's olive oil. My name is John Tasoulis. Making people happy, that makes me happy.